Alright, let's get a good look at our clutch. Now we're underneath the 92 Amigo and we're looking at the 4EZ1 2.6 liter 4-cylinder. Nice torquey little 4-cylinder, about 120 horsepower and I think about 170 foot-pounds of torque at a fairly low RPM. Nice little 4-cylinder for mud riding and all terrain. Looks like this is an aftermarket clutch. This is not factory to me, so somebody must have changed it. I bought this little Amigo a while back, a couple years back. I think it came from a kid. Probably tore up clutches. His dad probably got mad and put in the aftermarket hopped up clutch in it. Alright, easy cut. Here's the clutch I took out. Pressure plate. Yeah, it's definitely an aftermarket clutch. It's not an Isuzu. It's got 2002 stamped on it. 827. Okay, watch out. Yeah, it's got a lot more fingers than the stock clutch. And look at the wear of the throw-up bearing. Wear in the fingers, and it looks like some of them have even bent a little bit. Well, they were. I don't know. Maybe it's just the way the clutch was sitting. But anyway, nevertheless, it's our old clutch. We pull it off. Let's see. Look at our flywheel. How's our inner bearing? Is that original Japan? There's all that crap in there. That's a Japan bearing. I like Japan bearings. Let's see. I don't know what that is, but I can feel some grease missing in it. Plate. I know I've smoked this clutch a few times. Where's our pins to hold the clutch on? Are they sheared off? I don't see our pins. I'll be damned. Okay. Well, we'll try to line up where our pins were. Put it back together. I'm going to change our new clutch here. A nice stage 3. Let's see what this guy does. If it does any better. 4-wheel drive. There's a lot of stress. Supposed to handle 350 horsepower plus. And the torque's supposed to match, so we'll see. Hey, go get me the alignment tool that comes with the clutch. It's plastic. Alright. That's our clutch. Our clutch is in place. Our alignment tool is close enough. That gets us kind of close to center. I guess I could have did a little bit better job than that, but we'll line it up with the shaft. It's going to move some. Look at this, guys. Good and tight. Let me check the little nubs that are left over from the pins that should have been in there, the alignment pins. I don't like that very much. How do I know whether or not it would have thrown this thing off balance? It looks like the alignment pins are right where they were supposed to be. I did a pretty good job of that. Let's just hope it stays put there. There is a little nub sticking out, so